Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful crop top with summer flower granny square. The size of the crop top is for 8-10 years. You can find more information in the info box below. It's a very easy project, perfect for beginners. For this project I use Saint-Tropez from Mondial and a 4mm hook. Okay, all we have to do is to create a summer flower granny square. This is the video tutorial I've made. You can find the link in the info box below. So watch the video and do 8 summer flower granny square. Okay, now we have 8 summer flower granny square. We are ready to place the granny square in this way. Okay, now we're going to sew each granny square together. So place 2 pieces of your summer flower granny square with wrong side faces in front of you. Then grab your tapestry needle with the same yarn that you have used for crochet your motif and sew along this line. Work back and forth between the squares. And now we take another granny square, then sew them as we did before. And continue to do this following the scheme. Okay, now we have sewed all granny square in line, so now we are going to fold the garment. Before to proceed, I attach some clips to show you better where we are going to sew now. And now put the clips together. Then we sew along this line as we did before. Okay, now turn the garment inside out, and now before proceeding we weave the tails inside the garment using a tapestry needle. And now we're going to create a nice finish with 2 rounds of single crochet. So grab the hook and the yarn, choose light purple. We insert the hook here in the armhole point, then chain 1. Now we do one single crochet in each double crochet of the previous row. Pay attention, do not work in the space between the double crochet group, and continue to do this until we reach the increase point. Okay, now we do 2 single crochets in this space, then we continue to do 1 single crochet as we did before. We do a slip stitch in the first single crochet to complete this round. Okay, now chain 1. Then we do 1 single crochet all the way around. Now we do a slip stitch in the first single crochet to complete this last round. And now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the garment. Okay, now we are going to create a fringe. So now we grab the light purple, then we cut the strand about 20 centimeters, then we do the same 4 times. So now we have a set of 5 strands of yarn, 20 centimeters long. So now fold in half, then we insert the strands into the garment using a hook. Pull the strands through just enough to get a loop that you can put your fingers through. Reach in through the loop, grab the yarn tails and pull them back through the loop. And now do the same wherever you want to add your fringes all around the garment. Okay, now we are ready to do the 2 straps. So grab the 2 colors, then chain 30. Continue to use crochet hook number 4 to have a tight straps. Okay, now we are ready to cut the yarn, and remember to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the straps on the garment. So grab your tapestry needle and sew it. Then repeat this for the other strap. Okay, the summer flower top is now complete. Now that you know how to put the granny square to create a crop top, it will be easy to have other sides too. All you have to do is work a larger or smaller granny square to change the sides. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to see your summer flower top and the different colors that you choose of yours, so remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!